Okay, so I received my Rollkitchen Salad Spinner. It's pretty much what you'd expect in a quality spinner. All the parts are very sturdy, especially the parts that are important, like the spinner top and the bowl, which is stainless steel and it has a good sized internal basket for straining. The inner spinner base, like the basket, is solid and easy to remove. I was concerned about the size. At 4.8 quarts, this is a larger home kitchen spinner, and as you can see, I have very limited counter space. It was no problem, it fit just fine, and was usable in this small space. By the way, I really like the overmolded rubber base, which does a great job of gripping my countertop so it doesn't slide around when you're spinning the top knob. Okay, so I want to point something out about the reviews I read on Amazon, which were 99% good. But someone said it was only good for one salad? I'm not sure if this person is a regular at the Golden Corral salad feeding trough or was hired by a competitor to post this comment. Probably the latter. But I made myself a one person salad for lunch. I didn't even use 1/4 of the basket fill space, and I made myself more than enough for lunch and even some left over for later. Overall, I think this is a great product, great execution. Looks like it's going to last me a long time.